This is everything I'm packing for a 4-hour road trip with my kids. I've got a 4-year-old and a 15-month-old. So this is everything that's in this little caddy that I've got here. So first of all, we have this like tray, which my son can have on his lap. He can use it to lean on and to draw and things like that. So that's that there. We obviously have the most important thing, which is the iPad and ears. Headphones. I'm hoping that this will be like the thing that keeps him the most entertained. They've already downloaded like films and TV shows and stuff on there for him at his request of things he wanted to watch. We also have him a sticker book where I've peeled off the outer edges of the sticker so he can easily access it. We have some paper, just some plain paper, and some pencils, and then a kaleidoscope because I thought he might want to look out the window. And then we also have for him a googly, rubbery worm thingy. And then also I have this water paint book. So this little pen here is filled with water, and then he can just paint, or as you can see, and it changes colour there. And then you can dry and then you can reuse it, which is really good. I love these things. And then for my 15-month-old, which is the one that I'm struggling with the most, because obviously she's going to be rear-facing, it's harder to pass her things, she doesn't understand what's going on. So for her, I have this O-ball here, and I've just put loads of like scarves in there. I'm hoping that might make her entertained for a little bit of time. And then we also have in here just some little toys that could keep her entertained. These are obviously more babyish, but she hasn't seen them for a long time, so she might be entertained by them, maybe for half an hour, I don't know, that's wishful thinking I think. Then we have 2 rubber plastic animals that are her brothers, but she prefers her brother's toys over hers, obviously. And then we have like a matchstick monkey and a book for her as well. I think that's everything, yeah. And obviously she can have dummies and things like that, so that's everything I'm packing for the entertainment purposes. And then the food we're bringing on the trip, so we have these 2 lunch boxes for the kids. This is, they're very similar, the only thing that's different is the final compartment. So this is Ella's, oh no, this is Quint's one in fact. So we basically have like a corn ham sandwich with some of these like Ella's Kitchen pops. You get loads of them in these little packets, I really recommend them actually. And then in the top compartment we have a dairy-free yogurt pouch for her. Have some, there's these meat-free fridge raiders. These are delicious, and they're usually only £1 from Sainsbury's. And we also have some mini Richmond sausages. I've cut them lengthways, obviously for choking purposes. So that's the fridge raiders and the sausages in there for her. And then some cucumber fingers in that one there. And then for Ellis's box, he again has just a ham sandwich. And I found these crisps, they're Kiddylicious pizza veggie straws. I think they're new, they're for 3 years plus. I don't know why they can't be for under 3 years old, but I don't know, but that's those there. And then again, his compartment has the fridge raiders and the sausages. Again, we have cucumber sticks, and then in his bigger compartment, he has these free from white chocolate buttons and the apple dino twirl things. Are like those yo-yo bears for the Aldi dupes, highly recommend. So that's for the kids there. We also have like additional bits. We have some blueberries that I've just cut up there, which will be for anyone and everyone. These organics, apple and orange oaty bars. These sugar-free wafers, these are delicious, I highly recommend. They're obviously vegan as well. Some bananas, which just need to be eaten. If we don't eat them, they're going to go weird and gross, so I can put them in the freezer obviously, but I thought I'd just bring them with us because it's just as last resort. We have a banana, and then again we have some pears which I got on discount yesterday because they are due to go off. They're feeling a bit ready to be eaten now. I don't want to leave them here for a few days while we're not here obviously, because they might go gross and not be edible when we get back. And then we have mine and Sean, this is only mine, I'm going to make Sean's one now, some falafel pita breads because we need to eat as well. So we have the falafel, the pita bread and the hummus and the lettuce in here now. I've also cut up some cucumbers and pepper in a separate Tupperware box because obviously it will go soggy if I put it in there. But that is the food we are taking. Wish us luck, please.